Okay, my people, welcome back to Critics News with more update on as it take the go. Those of you who never follow us on our social media handles, please check us out on Instagram, Twitter, and on Facebook, including TikTok. We see there, they bring on an update on as it take the go. Now, let's go straight to the reason why we're here. This news is about 3 to 4 days ago, but I feel it is very important for us to bring your attention to it. It's about the presidential candidate of the NMPP, the New Nigerian People's Party, which is Rabiu Kwankwaso. He said that he was going to address the agitation of Biafra and Odudua with the leaders, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho. I say, wow, the addressers. The only address we need is referendum. You can see, this is Kwankwaso will address Igboho Nnamdi Kanu's agitations and MPP. That's what they said. They are going to, tackle it. They are going to make sure that they make them believe in the failed Nigerian system. And here, too, we have the failed president of the Zoological Republic, which is the failed Bonko Buhari, the fake one. Nigeria youth, no more government jobs. My children know. I have no inheritance for them. You say no gain, no level for them. Say they know they enjoy you, they are suffering. Say he's not going to leave anything for them. He don't chop everything. So all the money you have been looting in Aso Rock, all the money that you people have been stealing, you are the NMPC or Gakpata there. You don't know. You are not leaving it for your children. You are leaving it for my children. Yeah, they smell. Quickly, let's dive in and find out what's going down there. Kwankwaso we address Nnamdi Kanu's and Igboho's agitations, NMPP. The leadership of the New Nigeria People's Party on Saturday said its presidential candidate, Dr. Rabiu Kwankwaso, will end the numerous regional and sectarian agitations, plunging the country if he wins in 2023 as the president of the failed Zoological Republic, which is Nigeria. This was disclosed in the Salah message of NMPP issued by the National Publicity Secretary, Dr. Agbo Major, at the party secretariat in Abuja. Until the arrests, leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, and Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Adeyemo Igboho, popularly known as Igboho, has been at the vanguard of agitations for secession. Now, I want to ask a question. Since the invasion of these men's houses, how many presidential candidates today has come out to say we condemn in totality the invasion of Nnamdi Kanu's house? We condemn in totality the invasion of Sunday Igboho's house. But the same people are now coming out to lie to you that they are going to address such issues. Know this today, that these people does not care about you and they can never address such. Rather, they are going to send military, DSS, and every law enforcement agencies to go and move them. That is the only thing I know that they can address. That's the only address that they are going to give to agitators in the country. Kanu is presently in the custody of the Department of State Services after he was rearrested and repatriated from Kenya, while Igboho, who had been released on bail, is still undergoing legal proceedings in Benin Republic. The Yoruba Nation agitator was arrested alongside his wife, Ropo, in Cotonou while attempting to travel to Germany. When I remember this story now, so I want to ask these people now, all these presidential candidates, have they spoken about these issues? You see that they are sidelining it, including Peter Obi. He has sidelined everything. You know, they see. So I won't get China, but I want to let them know that Tinubu has the weight and the capacity to win, to rig the election on his favor. Agbo said the party is optimistic that various agitations in all zones in Nigeria will be a thing of the past if a progressive and transformative leader like Kwankwaso is elected president of Nigeria. Is it with the constitution of 1999 that says that no development must be allowed in Igbo region? Is it that one that will enable you people to do anything? they meant. This is our chance to correct the mistakes made in previous elections. A new Nigeria beckons together. We will restore the nation's glory and prosperity as the great arsenal of democracy in Africa. Loriro, if you are hearing these stories, flee for your life. This is even as the NNPP averred that the recent commentary of the former governor of Kano State on Ndigbo and people of the Southeast was misrepresented and taken out of context. That is the man who is talking jargons against P2B. Kwankwaso was quoted as saying during an inauguration of NNPP's Gombe state executives that the people of the Southeast were good in business but at the bottom of politics in Nigeria. So we are no good to lead the country. We are no match to contest elections in Nigeria. The same thing happening in the political sector of the country is the same thing happening in the developmental sector of Igbos or the South or Biafrans in general. One thing the Southeast must learn, in addition to many other things, is that the Southeast is good in terms of businesses, very hardworking, industrious, but one area they must learn is politics. They are at the bottom line of national politics. It's just like what P2B is doing now, where he's not giving shish. That is what the Southeast people are not learning, how to bribe, how to use money to buy vote, how to loot properly, how to cover up, how to, in fact, commit all sort of nonsense in the name of governance. That is what he's trying to tell us here, that the Igbos are not doing properly. They should start looting, start vote buying, start rigging. Now that time you go know say you don't come into politics. But in as much as P2B is not interested in those things, of course, he cannot win. And that is what Kwankwaso said there. So in case you did not understand it, now you have gotten a pure explanation. If you look at the situation, they have lost out in the APC and the PDP. They have no presidential, no vice presidential candidate. The only opportunity the Southeast has is to be president or vice president is with the NNPP, he stated. Defending his principle, Agbo emphasized that Kwankwaso has deep-seated respect for the people of the Southeast because the party was founded by an illustrious son of Ndigbo, Dr. Boniface Aniebunam. Sorry for the for the mispronunciation. Who was also the pioneer national chairman and currently the chairman of its board of trustees. Kwankwaso's recent comment on the good people of Southeast were misunderstood and taken out of context. He's a man of honor who loves all Nigerians passionately and desires to serve them as president he voted into office. Have you forgotten the leaked memo where he said that they are going to deal with Ndigbo in Lagos with a Yoruba counterpart, that they are going to make sure that Igbos are frustrated in Lagos? These are the people who wants to become your president today. Now, moving away from there, let me know what you guys think about him. But I know that the only address that you can get from any politician in Nigeria is the killing of Igbos, Igbo youth. That is what they are. The only way they can address any agitation in Nigeria. Know that and know peace today that none of them can go in there and favor you because the looting will stop. So they don't want to stop the looting. Everybody wants to, I want to become the president. Why? To go and loot. Quickly, let's move away from that Okpatanya and Wendaman, the yam for that place. The failed president of Ogro of Asorok, which is the failed Muhammadu Buhari fake, have said that Nigerian youth should know that there is no more government jobs. And he also said that his children know that he has no inheritance for them. This is coming from the failed Buhari, the fake Buhari. President Muhammadu Buhari on Wednesday charged the youth to seek education and arm themselves with skills and the ability to fight poverty, meet the needs of the 21st century. What does that mean? It means that ASU should continue to be on strike because the school now is useless in your country. So that what you need to do is to go and learn trade, learn how to sew cloth, learn how to make hair, learn skills. Then their own children will go abroad to study, then come back to continue from where they stopped killing you and continue to kill you from there. That is what the president is telling you today. Say any other thing you are hearing contrary to what I'm telling you now is a blatant lie. Buhari said the youth should not seek government jobs which are unavailable, stressing that more time should be given to the coaching of future leaders with basic knowledge of moral values, as the fast-changing world driven by new technology will be more competitive and demanding. The same person lying to you here is the one who have refused. They are the ones who collected 100 million naira each on their APC presidential candidates, which means that that money could solve your problems or even call ASU back from strike. But where is that money today? Despite that, they still want to borrow. Despite all that, they are still taxing the innocent and poor people just to keep you down. The failed President Buhari, who made this known in Daura, Katsina State, implored parents to inculcate the right values in children, including deep fear of God. Are you afraid of God? You kept Mazi Nnamdi Kanu there, and you are talking about fear of God. Yeah, man. He said, respect constituted authorities and living a purposeful life through continuous education. All these things are lies from the pit of hell. These are the lies concocted by his media aide, which is Garuba Shehu. There they write and then they push out and publish it. But nothing, they are not doing anything to help you. They want you to go and learn mechanic, while their own children are in different universities of the world. If you have not known that these people does not mean well for you, then you are still a mumu man. If he is passing somewhere today, go and see the crowd of people that will be hailing him, despite the killings. Are we not the problem of this country? We are the problems of this country, and not outside. If we can wake up alone, at least by now we should have taken it back. But there is an opportunity, is that there is no election in Biafra land. That's where I want you to channel your energy to, and also stay awake at the same time. Let me play you a video where he was yarning on Okpata saying ASU strike, they should tell them ASU strike should stop. Nonsense.
And I hope that the institutions we have, like ASU, will sympathize with the country and the people. There's nothing wrong with showing the government and the leadership that you don't like what they are doing. But enough is enough. Don't hurt the next generation, for goodness sake. So those of you who have friends that are teachers and influential or even not influential, please persuade them to go back to classes so that our children can resume their educational pursuit.
All right, so that's the failed president of the Zoological Republic. He was telling you that those that ASU should go back to teach students in universities. You never pay money. Where is the money that you guys collected from people, from our Mumu, Igbo slaves who claimed they were pursuing presidency in APC? Now, una war hanala. Where are they? Where is that money? That money is enough for them to pay for ASU to resume teaching people. But today, you all are at home, and they have asked you, they have come again to tell you, vote, validate your slavery, validate your stupidity, validate your idiocy. And on they PVC. You are not going anywhere. Tinubu will be your next president. If you like, jump up and jump down today. You see this statement I'm giving you, go and find out. You will come to pass. But in Biafra land, no election. Muna conduct an election. If you want to vote, you you can go out. Onye ụgbọ gburu ọwụ ntị gburu ya. Ka bụ ihe nsị m agwa unu. I'll be right back in a jiffy with more update. Thank you.